I'm here at the Playtex booth at the Baby Time show, and as you can see, I'm expecting my second baby. Oh my goodness. And as much as I feel like a bit of an expert sometimes, I know that no two babies are alike and every baby is different. So I'm going to speak with some first-time moms and find out what their most burning questions are, and then talk to experienced moms to answer those questions and get some tips and advice. I was just wondering, as a first-time mom, what questions you might have for more experienced moms.
I'm more concerned about labor and post-labor and what's going to happen to me.
I think we're all fearful of labor at the beginning. You just have to trust your instincts and sort of trust your body.
Just focus on the reward, which is to see that little face.
Depending if you had a vaginal birth or a C-section, that will determine the length of your recovery.
Before 6 weeks, I'm kind of back to normal.
I'm looking into doulas right now, whether they're really that necessary, and I'm hearing different things.
She's going to be able to help prepare me so that I'll be ready with what I need in the room for delivery. They stay overnight with moms and they can help with areas like breastfeeding, sleep training.
Do I need to include formula, or is breast milk all the baby needs?
I've always had more than enough milk, so I found it enough on its own, but I use formula now as a way to have freedom and not have to deal with pumping anymore.
If I plan to nurse my child, but I also want the option of using a bottle at times, what the best bottle to use would be.
Playtex sells one of a natural latch nipple, so it mimics mom's breast.
My question is single or double breast pump?
I purchased a double pump. It was just easier to get it done quickly. I could do it in 15 to 20 minutes.
How many bottles should we be using throughout the day?
I'd say 6 to 8 bottles to have them available so you don't have to be washing them and sterilizing them all the time. And then a really good thing to have are the drop-ins, because you don't have to sterilize the bottle.
I'm just wondering if pacifiers are necessary, and if so, at what age should we start giving them to the baby?
When they needed to comfort suck or anything, and I needed to get something done, there was the pacifier that was ready.
Soothers should be introduced around 4 to 6 weeks, especially if you're breastfeeding.
This one sucked a soother till she was probably 8 months.
How can we get that routine so that both baby and mommy and daddy get good sleep?
You'll learn when it's that time when they're starting to wind up and get a little cranky and they're ready for bed. If you can find that perfect time to get them into bed, they fall asleep a lot easier.
Sleep now.